Hello friends, and welcome to my channel for what I hope is a wonderfully spooky season. We're going to be attempting to do the 31 days of Halloween with Average Joe. Das me. We are starting today's unicorn look off with our usually pale foundation and taking a purple eyeshadow to deepen our brows, add a little bit of whimsy. Next, using a blush brush, we are blowing out this pink shade from that same palette across our cheeks, nose, through our temples, and up around our forehead as well. Our eyes are going to be uber bright, and so we are going to be using the neon yellow and greens from that Norvina Volume 2 palette that you guys know that I am so obsessed with. I'm blowing these colors out with a big fluffy brush in no particular rhyme or reason because I wasn't entirely sure what I wanted to do. I just wanted it to look colorful, and it was. I also ran those colors across my lower lash line in an exaggerated form because I did know that I wanted to create like an exaggerated or cartoonish eye. I carved out my crease, packed on a green and gold shimmer shade, and then using a whitewater activated eyeliner to extend my inner corners as well as redefine that cut crease that we did up top. That's how I kind of solidified this overall cartoony shape. I then added black on the outskirts of that lower lash line just to really make sure that there was a sharp contrast and kind of differentiate all of that work that I had just done, make it pop. Using that same black liner, I also gave myself some false lower lashes because I thought that'd be super fun. I did just a standard black winged eyeliner up top, added mascara and lashes, and now we get to move on to the super fun part. Our horn is made of Model Magic, which is a modeling foam. It dries down incredibly lightweight, and so it's perfect for adhering to your face because it's not going to get heavy, and you can do it just with lash glue, and that's what I recommend because that's what you probably have at home. But I happen to have Prozade, which is an adhesive that we use in film and television, and so I adhered mine with that. I bought this lemon head gel glitter in the color Space Jam from IMATS a few years ago, and I seldomly get to use it, so I was really excited to add it to this look. I love, love, love the blue reflect in the glitter, and so I popped that cascading from my eyes across my cheeks and around my new horn area as well. I picked up these little yellow flower buds and these green gems from Michaels because I just quite enjoy gluing different things to my face, as you guys know if you've been here on this channel or on my Instagram before now. So I thought that they would add more texture and just be fun in general. So we added that with some more lash glue around the base of our horn, a couple flowers going up the horn across our cheeks, not trying to put it in any sort of pattern, just kind of going in. We added white dots for texture and kind of give us that faux fantasy freckle. Even if you guys can't see it on camera, I thought it looked super cute up close, so I was pretty happy. I found this glitter lip gloss in my collection from Lime Crime, and then I popped on my lavender rockstar wig. The headdress I made a couple months ago for a photo shoot with a photographer friend of mine. It's just a bunch of faux flowers on a headband glued to some cardstock. So sorry that I don't have footage of that, but I did not think about it at the time. That's gonna be it for today's Halloween look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe. There are gonna be so many more videos this year. I love you all so much. I hope you have a very fun, safe, somewhat spooky day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.